So you've invested in a high quality door system, and now I'm going to teach you how to take care of it. Hi, I'm Jennifer with ActivWall Systems, here for today's Maintenance Minute. All of our ActivWall folding door units are equipped with standoff magnet. This is a small detail designed to help extend the lifespan of your hinges. It's easy to want to just open the door and push it to the side, but by taking the step to connect the magnets, that's actually going to take pressure off the door when you are opening and closing it. Let me show you how. Start by opening up the operable panel, and the magnets right here, you're going to connect those. Then you can open up the rest of the system as you normally would. It's as easy as that, and that little step is actually going to help take care of your door so it lasts for many, many years. If you have questions about your ActivWall folding doors or windows, please feel free to reach out to us. Our service team is happy to assist you. And if you're interested in getting a high quality window and door system for your commercial or residential space, visit us at activwall.com for a free quote, because we'd love to help open up your space.